If you're trying to starting your hair business, you're looking for hair vendor or you're looking for a new hair vendor, make sure watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you how you can more easily work with Joice Hair and process your order, track your order, drop shipping with Joice Hair, or do your wholesale orders. Before that, let me try to briefly introduce Joice Hair because I'm new. Joice Hair is the hair vendor which supplying all quality hair products, including of Remy hair or virgin hair, all type of hair products, wigs, lace bundles, and hair extensions. And I'm sure many of you are looking for starting a new hair business, looking for hair vendors which is more reliable, supplying or consistent hair more easily for working with. And Joice Hair will be your first choice. Now we have a website which is more easily to work with, which is easily for you to register, to track your order. And today's video I will show you the process of it. You open joicehair.com and you are able to see our new website, which is very user friendly now. Here including all the hair products, including quality wise, raw hair, virgin hair, and product wise, wigs in natural color and U part wig, T part wig, and you can search for any type of products you want, including the lashes. And here has the area for the hair extension, which is made of the premium raw hair. And also here have bundle deal and wholesale packages. You can see that wholesale package and bundle deals which is available. And in the future we will definitely launch more and more wholesale packages for you, which is very good price, including promotional items all available here. And here is the deal and offers, which is including the bundle plus lace deals and any type of deals. And here is an area which help you to starting your new hair business, or you already have a hair business you want to work with us, and here will help you to set it everything up. Here you can customize your logo, getting your sample kit. Also here hair sample, wholesale package, and also drop shipping program. As here have sample kit including natural color and 613 color and different hair textures available. And here is the all the materials you want to customize with your own logo, we will be able to making for you. And here is a area that you should able to use if you're new to this website, or before you haven't registered on our website, and make sure that you click on the registration page. And here you go, put your first name, last name, and username, and email, and which country, and you can submit, and you will register on our website. And in the future it's very easier for you to operating here. And let's see what is inside of your account. And here, and now let's go into my account and see once you are logging and once you register on our website, and what you are able to see on your account. And here you can see your orders, and when you place your order you will be able to see all the orders that you have done. And this is a test account. And let's see, view. For example, you see you have two orders, and view, and you can see that this is the update that we're giving to you. And thank you for your order, we are processing and will be shipping to you in 2 days, or we have already shipped it to you. And you can get your tracking number here, and you can easily click here and you will be able to track where is your parcel and when it will be getting to you. So it's very easy for you right now. Suppose you are doing drop shipping to your clients and you don't have to contact us, you can directly go into your account and you will be able to see what you're tracking and when you get it, or when your clients will be able to get it. And here you can also do your account details, like update everything, and also put in your own billing address. Suppose you are doing drop shipping, you can all the time doing your billing address as yourself, and every time when you place your order, all the billing address will be the same, and shipping address put your clients shipping, and we will be able to ship to your clients with your information here. There is no any information about Joice here. And also this is very friendly to wholesale, as we see that all the wholesale package will launch more and more wholesale packages in the future, and you will be able to see all the wholesale package which will have better price for you, and it will be very easy for you to place your order. And for example, this kind of transparent lace frontal now going on, the deals with all different lengths, and which is a very good price right now. So you already see how convenient you will be able to use our website now. Make sure you register on our website, and in the future, if you want to doing drop shipping, and you can register with us, and we will have special account, and we'll put you into the drop shipping group, and you will be able to enjoy uh, better price when you're doing the drop shipping with us, and it will be very convenient. Thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you can now go into our website and register your account, work with us in the future. If you have any question or you have any suggestion to Joice here, make sure contact us or leave your comments in below. Thank you. Have a great day.